So a very popular question when homeowners considering James Hardie siding is, can I go over my existing siding? And like most things, the answer is it depends. And so if you have like a flat panel siding that is like T111 or Masonite or LP, and it's in good shape, it's not rotted, we can certainly remove the trim boards, fix some minor wood rot, and then install commercial grade house wrap, and then install James Hardie. So we do that a lot. And a big reason why we don't take off all the wood panel is the wood panel is installed into your interior studs. So if we remove that, you're gonna have hundreds of nail pops inside your house, which is something we wanna avoid, right? So first rule is do no harm to existing house. So if you have flat panel today, we can certainly most likely go over and it makes sense to do that. If you have shingle siding or vinyl siding, we absolutely have to take it off. If you have brick siding, it's possible to fur down, go over it, but it's actually much cheaper just to remove your brick than go through that hassle of furring it out. And then you have a really big difference between thickness around windows and doors, and it looks kind of weird. With stucco, unfortunately, we have to demo it as well. And so most homes in the metro have flat panel siding. So as long as we could fix some minor wood rot, it makes sense to go over it and not remove it. But basically every other type of siding, we have to remove that and make sure that there's no wood rot, make sure that we secure it into studs, make sure the wall's flat so we're not going over some wavy. So unfortunately, most of the time, if it's not flat panel, we have to remove it in James Hardie siding, or really any siding can go over it.